Hey guys, my name is Arvind and I'm about to go to the old city in Surabaya, but it's too hot outside, so I'll go with my bike instead of walking on there. And I'll try my best to explain everything I know in there. So let's get on then.
So here we are, and next to me is the General Malapi Cars, which is the monument of Battle of Surabaya in 1948. It's related with the Red Bridge right here. So the Red Bridge right here is where the car is exploded with the General Malapi's car. So you can see right here is everything you can read. So this is telling about the city, the Battle of Surabaya, like before the 10 November. So behind me is the market where you can buy souvenir or other goods, and the name of this market is Jembatan Merah or Red Bridge, that refers to the bridge I tell you before. So behind me this time is Arcadia Hotel. So the Arcadia Hotel has been working since 1913, and the fun fact is the name before the Arcadia is EAS, and it's still working right now. This time, so you can spend the night in here while exploring the city. Thank you. So the next one is behind me is the JAWA building, the JAWA bank building. So this bank is hold the banking history in this Surabaya, and this has been built since 1939. And this building is not being operated right now. It's already been closed. So behind me is the basketball field where you can play with your friends or your family here, and also it is the best place you can rest your legs, and maybe you can buy some drinks in outside there and everything more. So that is everything I can tell you what I know in this place. So I'm sorry, this place is kinda being renovated, and you can also visit this place every time you want. Also this place is not been officially right now, and there is some rumors this place is will be officially in the middle of the month. Okay, that's it for me, and thanks for listening to my presentation, and see you next time.